Alright guys, how's it going? Mono Dragon here again. It's a lovely 7:30 in the morning. Good morning. Hope you all had your breakfast, your Weetabix, your coffee. I haven't had mine yet, so I get all that when I get into work. I'm finally back. I'm back in Irish soil now. For those who don't know, I was actually out of the country for 3 weeks. Hence, nothing to upload. I'm only back now a week, but I haven't been driving my bike, so I wasn't able to make a video. It looks like it's gonna piss rain, or I don't know what I want to do. Because over there looks lovely. We're finished our heat wave, as you guys can imagine. Ireland, for those who don't know, was in a very weird heat wave. Like, I think it was the hottest temperatures in over 100 years, something ridiculous like that. You know, sub 30 degree, and you're gonna drive your van, or I don't know. There you are, Bosco. There, the accelerator's on the right. But of course, when I come back, I fucking missed it all. Nothing new there. But apparently it's meant to come back. Meant to come back this weekend. August bank holiday weekend, it's meant to come back. I fucking hope it does. I need some weather. So for those who don't know, I was actually in South Africa on work, and I came back paler than I already was. I'm blonde, so you know, if there's a picture I can paint straight away. I'm blonde, so I don't take the sun unless it's sunburn. Other than that, I don't take any sun. Because I was wearing like suit shite for 3 weeks and I wasn't really out in the sun, you know, I just lost all the colour I thought I had and went from being an off-white to almost transparent again. So I just called myself a Polly Pocket. That's kind of what I look like. I resemble almost see-through. I'm okay with that. I've accepted that. I still get really annoyed because Mrs. Dragon gets tanned, and like even in the winter she's tanned. She's one of those people that just has a colour, and I'd like be holding her hand or whatever, and I'd be like, "Fuck you, how are you tanned?" And it's like snowing outside. It's so annoying. I hope all of you are doing well. I haven't really missed much, I don't think, over 3 weeks. The internet wasn't that great, so I couldn't even like watch videos, which sucked. But Luke got a new bike. Congratulations, Luke, on your MT-07. Happy days. Because ever since, I don't know, I met up with him on the R6, he was like, "Oh, I want an R6, and then he was mentioning other bikes, and then he kept mentioning and bringing it back to the MT-07, so I'm delighted I actually have one. And I'm delighted that your channel's having a bit of success now. It's really cool to see. I am very, very jealous. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's raining. Bollocks. But I'm very happy for you. I'm glad someone's getting a bit of success out of this YouTube shit, especially from Ireland. It's pretty cool to see. Don't let the fame go to your head. I have to have an intervention. Speaking of new bikes, I am kind of set on getting a new bike. And I know, I don't even have this one this long. To recap on why, my new job is in Dublin, same as my college. So I'm going to be driving there a lot more than I was when I was in college. So I just don't want to ruin this bike, and I don't want two bikes because it'll just sit there and not get any love or attention. I want someone else to enjoy and care for this bike. If I drive it, well, I was like the R6, because I was working during the summer, like in Dublin as well. I racked up serious miles. I think that had like 50,000 miles on it, and that was so hard to sell. And when I did sell it, I lost nearly €1,000 on it. So I'd like to sell this and get something kind of suited for what I need, but also something a bit fun. I'm toying with the idea of a few different bikes. I was actually toying of the idea of an MT-07, and it's still not off the table because brand new, they're not that expensive. But because of the miles I do, I don't really want a new bike, like a brand new bike. You know, I'd get one like up in years, you know, 15, 16. I have one picked out that's dear to my heart, that I've always fucking wanted one ever since I sat on it about 4 years ago. Maybe 3-4 years ago, I sat on it and I just knew I wanted it. It was the only bike that fit me perfectly. It was fabulous, absolutely beautiful. So I'm not telling you what it is, because it probably, if it's a thing that I am getting a new bike, it probably won't be till the end of August. Could even be a little bit later, because I need to sell this first before I can buy a new bike, because you know, they're not cheap. I hope you guys can hear me as well. It's windy. It's just really shitty rain. It's like the odd drop here, there and everywhere. That's the worst kind. I think. Today I'm going to bite the bullet, and I'm going to buy a Gore-Tex jacket. I'm thinking of Ruka. Yeah guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video of more of a chat of how's everyone going. Thank you to my new subscribers that I've gotten since in my absence, even though I've had like no recent videos. I think I'm just sub 890, which is fucking amazing. I'm gonna hit 900. Hopefully I can pump out a few videos and hit that beautiful 1,000. That would be my absolute dream. Yeah guys, hope you all had a good month. If you're in Ireland, I hope you enjoyed the weather. Also to all my Irish subs that are slightly younger, hope all your exams and everything went well, because they're all finished, and hopefully you're enjoying your summer, and some of you are getting your jobs to buy your bikes and everything, so that's gonna be cool. I've had a few subs message me on Instagram asking about bikes and stuff, which is really cool. I love helping you guys out as much as I can and giving you guys my feedback and my opinions. I got really bad hiccups and I don't know why. Oh god. Look guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.